Okay, so here they want us to find the margin of error. Do you agree with me that if we go from 900 to 1100, that 1000 is my center point, my mean, and so the difference between the lower bound and the mean is the margin of error, and it's 100. And look at right here, it's 100, so the answer is C. Okay, let's do number 11 here. So what I did is I put this into the graphing calculator, and I said mu is equal to 12, my x bar is equal to 11.8, my standard deviation is 0.8, and n is equal to 49, and I got a p-value of 0.08. So if I get a p-value of 0.08, if alpha is 0.05 and 0.08 is greater, then we would fail to reject. So it's not A. Okay, here it is. If it's 0.05, we would fail to reject. But remember, if we fail to reject, we go with HO. We mean that they are not different. Okay, so it's 0.10 is okay. Here and we believe that they are different. No, wait, K. Schwartz, wait a minute. Shouldn't be watching TV at the same time. If I have, that's for 0.05, if I have 0.08, then we will reject and we believe they are different. So the answer is C. Sorry about that. Let's do 12. When conducting hypothesis testing, we fail to reject if HO, if what? So here's 0, here's 1, here's alpha, and that if the p-value is here. So that is if alpha is smaller than the p-value. So the answer is C. Okay, 13. Which one of the following is not a distribution? Well, we did normal, we did t, we did chi-square, so the answer is A. Okay, number 14. What test would we use? What do you see to see if there's a relationship? Okay, so we have two variables, so that means it's either chi-squared or linear regression. Because this is categorical data, it's going to be chi-squared, so the answer is C. Okay, let's do number 15. They give us all this information, but basically what we need here is a 96. They give us that information because they say 32 out of 55, so in your head you should be thinking proportions. So that means this is a Z. All right, because we have a 96, we're going to do inverse Z. Okay, and so I'm going to put in 0.02 because remember it's 1 minus 0.96, which is 0.04. I just want to know about the left-hand side, so that's going to be 0.02. I put it in there and I get A for an answer. Okay, so basically they want to know which one warrants a rejection, so I need to have where the p-value is less than alpha. That's not true. Oh, here it is B. P-value is less than alpha. Okay, let's do 17. So they want to know which of the following would be used to calculate the standard deviation for one study of 185 whistles, activity 97, to estimate the true proportion. Okay, so this is a one prop, so the answer is going to be B. Okay, so let's talk about this. We want to figure out what our standard deviation is. And remember, if I am 3 standard deviations from the mean, that is 99.7%. So that's roughly a good percent, right? So here is my mean. And so this is 80. And this is 20, right? And do you see that that's 30 each? And so that's 3 standard deviations, so 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. So roughly each standard deviation is 10, which is B. Okay, let's go to number 19. we want a 95% confidence interval, and so we're never sure about anything. We don't know anything, so really the only one left is C.